Hi, my name is Seti and welcome back to the channel where we make educational technology easy for you. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Google Docs and how you can use indentations to format your paragraphs. And let's dive into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now there's a number of ways that you can get indentations done. Now there's the manual option and there's the menu option. Now we're going to start with the manual option. So go ahead and open up your Google Docs and then you need to make sure that you see that ruler at the top. Now you can see the ruler right here, but if you do not see it, simply click on your view menu and then add your ruler. Now it's important to have this ruler because in order for us to manually add indentations, we're going to have to find these two symbols. Right here we have a horizontal line and then a downward pointing arrow underneath that. Now the first one here is the horizontal line at the top, and that's our first line indent. So that means that your first line of your selected paragraph, well, that symbol is going to determine where that line is indented. Now the other one, the downward facing arrow, well, that's the entire paragraph. That's your left indent. So go ahead and play around with these two. You can move the left indent a little bit more to the right, and you can do this manually. And now let's say that you would like to have a hanging indent or a reversed indent. Well, what you do then is you simply move that horizontal line all the way back to the left. This creates a hanging indent effect. Now in addition to the ruler, in order for you to play around with indentations, you also have two additional buttons at the top. These are increase and decrease the indent. Now here we can increase and decrease the indent and it just goes up or down with the default amount. Now let's say that you do want to have a little bit more control over the indentation. Well, then we have to dive into our menu. Now you'll find this in your format menu. Now once you're in the format menu, find align and indent. And then at the bottom you'll see we have those same increase and decrease indents, but we also have indentation options. So go ahead and open up your indentation options. Now at the top you see the left and right indent. That's for the entire text. So these indentations will determine how your paragraphs are indented left and right on your page. Now let's say that you want something a bit more specific, well then you have additional options at the bottom. This is where you can use those special indentations. Now the two we have available are first line, so the first line of each paragraph is going to be indented, and then the second one is hanging indent. So that's the opposite, where your first line stays to the left and the rest of your paragraph moves or shifts to the right. These are two options I'm often asked about, and using this menu you can get everything done just the way you want it to be. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know in that comment section below what other tips and tricks in Google Docs would you like to hear about. Are there certain things that you know you can do in other word processors or programs and you can't find a way to do it in Google Docs? Well, let me know and I will do everything I can to find a solution. And while you're down there in the comment section below, let's start a conversation about how you use Google Docs and what are your favorite tips or tricks for Google Docs. Now on your way back up, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also ring the bell notification, otherwise you won't get notified of new videos whenever they go live. And you will see that there's a number of different links in my description as well. We have a couple of affiliate links, there's a Patreon link. All these things help out the channel immensely. I appreciate every single one of you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.